So one half the lentil curry and the other one lentil mallum. Ayubovan! So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the quick way of making a Sri Lankan Dal curry. So what I did yesterday was I actually soaked a whole cup of red lentils in water and I kept it overnight. That actually makes this cooking process very fast. So look at the lentils. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use these lentils to show you how to make two types of dishes with 1 cup of lentils. 1/2 of the cup, that is half a cup of lentils, I'm going to use it for the way I like to make the dal curry, and the other half I'm going to show you a dry version. So that's called parippu Mallum. So first and foremost what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash the lentils thoroughly, and then I'm going to divide the lentils in 2 portions, and then I'm going to start showing you exactly the ingredients, what needs to go into the lentil curry. So here we are. With the lentils, I have portioned them half and half. So 1/2 goes to the lentil curry and the other one is for the lentil mallum. So I'm going to keep this half aside. That's for later, and the ingredients are a little bit different to the lentil curry. So for the lentil curry, you need half a tomato, 1 bay leaf, 1 onion, a piece of pandan leaf, 1 garlic, and this is a lemongrass. So I have taken a small piece of lemongrass. The lemongrass, actually what I'm going to do today is I'm going to crush the lemongrass so that it adds more flavor to the curry. And I have here roasted curry powder, mustard seeds, some cinnamon, and 2 dry chilies, chili powder. This is not the spicy one. Some cardamoms, and this is fenchel, turmeric. For this recipe, I'm going to use 200 milliliters of coconut milk, some salt, and half a cup of water. Did I mention to you about the unroasted curry powder? Well, we need to use that as well. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up all these ingredients, and then afterwards I'm going to show you step by step what we need to do at the stove. Check this out. So this is our dal curry. So we're ready now. As promised, I'm going to show you the second way of making dal. So this is called red lentil mallum. So for this I have half a cup of lentils, then desiccated coconut. This is unroasted curry powder, fennel seeds, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 dry chilies, 1 1/2 onions, This is peppercorns. These are peppers. These are usually spicy. I usually get them from the Turkish shop. They are nice and spicy. So if you don't want your melon to be spicy, you can de-seed them. But I'm going to leave the seeds on. And then I have a piece of pandan leaf, 1 bay leaf, and 1 green chili. This is optional. Mustard seeds, chili powder. This is just to give color. It's not that hot. Turmeric, salt, oil for frying, half a cup of water. So this is my red lentil mallum. Warning, very spicy and hot because I did not de-seed any of the chili. So that's why it's really hot and spicy. So I like to explain to you why this mallum didn't take that long, because I soaked the lentils overnight. So the cooking process did not take that long. So until we meet again, I would like to wish each and everyone a fantastic day and Ayubovan.